I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your phone number on Weebly, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Weebly account. Start by visiting the Weebly website and signing in with your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your site. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once you're in your dashboard, locate the settings option in the left sidebar. Click on it to open the settings for your site. Step 3. Select the General tab. In the settings menu, find and click on the General tab. This is where you can manage basic information about your site, including your contact details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Look for the field labeled phone number. Enter your new phone number here. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Save your changes. After updating your phone number, scroll down and click the Save button to apply your changes. If you forget this step, your new number won't be saved. I hope this guide helps you update your phone number easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.